Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm back with another one of the amazing universities, University of Massachusetts at Boston, or simply known as UMass Boston. Well, I've done a video earlier on UMass Amherst, and this is the same university system but a different campus, which is downtown, UMass Boston. And that is the reason I absolutely love this university, because of its amazing education and location, which is downtown Boston. And UMass Boston also offers a lot of internships and job opportunities because of the proximity of the location. University offers a very special and exclusive admission services, academic and language support, and career growth opportunities for international students through a very special global program which offers easier admission option. So for more information and to apply to this special program, please fill in the UMass application form in the description box and my team will help you with the application process to get into this amazing university. And if you're new to the channel, I'm a TEDx speaker and an entrepreneur with 3 successful companies, and I've done my MS in computer science from the US and worked with top investment banking, UBS Financials in the US, and then started my company to help students with career and college admission. Over the last decade with my company, we have delivered top results with students getting admission to Harvard, Stanford, MIT, Oxford, UMass Boston, and all top universities across the world. I've been featured on national television shows on Z News, and my articles have been published in top international magazines. I have met with almost all admission officers myself and have done a college admission program from UPenn on how to guide students for college admission. In short, on my channel, you will find strategies and tools that work. And I've been using these strategies with thousands of my students for over a decade with huge success. And as always, I have created an amazing college admission profile assessment for you that you can complete just for free. Just head to the link mentioned in the description box and get your profile evaluated for free. Now let's hit it up for UMass Boston. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. The University of Massachusetts at Boston is a public research university in Boston, Massachusetts. Earlier, the university was known as Boston State College. It was established in 1852 and is the only public research university in Boston and third largest campus in the 5-campus University of Massachusetts system. Recognized for innovative research, Metropolitan Boston's Public Research University offers its diverse student population both an intimate learning environment and the rich experience of a great American city. The University of Massachusetts Boston is nationally recognized as a model of excellence for urban public universities. The scenic waterfront campus with easy access to downtown Boston is located perfectly for students for a great social life, and also it is in the hub of jobs. The campus has become an increasingly attractive venue for significant local and national events. Well, in 2000, for example, the university hosted a presidential candidates debate between George W. Bush and Al Gore, which is good. The campus is 120 acres in the area. It is known for its harbor campus. The UMass Boston Campus Centers, which opened in 2004, has created new space for offices and student activities, as well as spectacular harborfront presence for civic events. The most popular majors at UMass Boston include computer science, nursing, management, business, finance, education, psychology, sociology, and analytics. Although I'm not a big fan of judging universities solely on the basis of ranking, but UMass Boston is included in the top 5% universities in the US and constantly considered the best school globally. Alright, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Academics at UMass Boston are diverse. The university's 9 colleges and school offers 79 undergrad program, 114 graduate programs, which is master's, doctoral, and other programs. The Honors College serves about 692 students who thrive on intellectual challenge. UMass Boston provides education at a great value, cutting-edge research, and global service. The School of Nursing and Health Sciences is the 9th largest nursing school in the US, and hence it is one of the well-known colleges in the University of Massachusetts system. Research is another sector UMass is highly recognized for. The university features several centers and institutes within the premises where students can also be involved. Most postgraduate students are involved in the research projects, and some undergraduate students can also be a part of them. UMass Boston offers its students with internship opportunities, which is amazing. Those students who are studying at UMB can apply for internships either on campus or off campus. The university also offers student exchange programs for all students. The students get a wide scope to choose amongst the broad range of subjects as well. The faculty here is amazing and well qualified. There are many award-winning research faculty members that are available for students when they need them. 93% of full-time faculty hold the highest degree in their fields. Part of UMass system, UMass Boston combines a small college experience with the vast resources of a major research university. With about 16:1 student to faculty ratio, students easily interact with professors because most teaching occurs in small class size, which is again an advantage. So the overall class size at UMass Boston is about average to small, and most of the classes are fewer than 20 students. But some introductory classes can be expected to go slightly higher. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate UMass Boston with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. After academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life in UMass Boston is amazing. There are 100 plus recognized student organizations on campus where students can get involved in, including clubs, literally magazines, newspaper, radio station, art gallery, and 16 NCAA Division III sports team, offering students a rich campus life. There are many off-campus opportunities also where students can plan their own events, attend a cultural event, or go to a ski trip. UMass Boston has about 16,000 students at the university. The undergraduate program consists of about 12,000 students, so about remaining are PG and PhD students. On an average, UMass Boston enrolls around 2,000 plus international students who come from around 150 countries and speak more than 60 languages on an annual basis, which is a great diversity. Housing is good for most students as well. Housing at UMass Boston is on first come, first serve basis. Priority for accommodation is given to incoming first year students. If spaces remain vacant over the summer months, additional offers could be made to returning UMass Boston students and transfer students. Most postgraduates stay off campus in nearby locations. Students live throughout Greater Boston and in apartment communities just steps away from the campus and enjoy the rich amenities, cultural attractions, and educational opportunities that make the city the biggest and best college town in the nation. The food quality is amazing too. It is downtown Boston, so of course, there are many restaurants and cafes that are available on or nearby campus as well. UMass Boston is amazing in sports too. The department offers 18 varsity sports and is a member of NCAA's Division III. Men's and women's baseball, basketball, cross country, soccer, tennis, ice hockey, and many recreational sports are popular here. UMass Boston offer competitive academics and good social life. I would like to give it 5 stars out of 5 on quality of life at UMass Boston. Well, now let's look at the financial fit. UMass Boston falls in an average school category. The expenditure is about $35,000 to $40,000 US dollars in annual tuition expenses without scholarship. Housing and dining is about $12,000 to $18,000, range for the most depending upon on-campus or off-campus accommodation. As far as financial aid is concerned, the university has some scholarship opportunities for students. The university awards merit scholarships averaging about $5,000 as well as the athletic scholarships. So overall, I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Well, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to triple your chances of getting into UMass Boston with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now come from a decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission. For admission into UMass Boston, you need to work on a few things. They employ a holistic approach in the admissions. But if you really want to apply to this university and you are an international student, I would highly advise you to apply to a special admission program that university offers for international students, which is easier to get in and more supportive way to getting admission to this top university, and also it's more supportive during the entire 4-year or 2-year fair education. You can fill out the application form in the description box and my team will get in touch with you for the admission to UMass Boston. Well, now let's talk about the general requirements. Here's what they are reviewing on your application. First off, grades. Official transcripts for all institutions like schools and colleges are required. Many programs have a minimum limit for their eligibility, so make sure to check out the eligibility for you. Now, most programs in the university has a 3-year, 4-year equivalency, so make sure to check for your master's program whether your 3-year degree is eligible for the admission to master's program or not. Some programs require official GRE and GMAT test scores as well. Please review program requirements to confirm. SAT and ACT are optional. Now, letters of recommendation are required for most programs. The number of letters required varies by the program as well. The statement of purpose is your opportunity to show the graduate admission committee why you wish to pursue graduate study as well as your undergraduate study, and as well as specific interests and goals. Now, most programs require an essay as well. UMass Boston also requires all international students to present English proficiency. Well, along with traditional TOEFL and IELTS exam, Duolingo and PTE are also accepted for most programs. UMass Boston culture fosters imagination, creativity, and intellectual vitality. And these 3 are super important for UMass Boston: inquiry, creativity, and discovery. So make sure to use these in your application. Along with this, UMass Boston diversity and inclusion are also very important. Make sure to talk about these as well in your applications. Now, as for deadlines, for admission, UMass Boston offers 2 deadlines for undergraduate study, that is early action, which is generally November 1st, and the preceding year of the entry year, and the other is regular decision, which is about 15th of February. You can apply through common application portal. But if you want to apply to special entry program, which has lower entry requirements and has a separate application altogether, you can fill up the form in the description box and my team will help you to assist with the admissions. For all postgraduate courses, they have individual department deadlines in November to March depending upon the course. Some of them are all rolling basis as well. So in the end, if you're focused, career-driven, love to live in a metropolitan city, independent while having active social lives, UMass Boston is for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Remember to complete your profile evaluation as discussed in the beginning of this video and get your personalized report for free. And yes, I'm here for you. I'm here with you to support you on this beautiful journey. If you need my assistance, me and my team are here to help you. I would also recommend to watch this video as your next video. Thank you once again, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Till then, this is Shirish taking. Bye.